Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is a makeup tutorial, and here is primer, folklore, and a hydrating primer. Yes, and now I'm rubbing all over my face, and yes, and now for the Fit Me foundation, I use the shade 220, and yeah, for the blender I put setting spray onto moisturize it. And now for concealer, I use this Fit Me with the shade of sand, and then I'm concealing all the spots where I wanted to conceal, and yeah, that's on the areas. So here it is, and blending. Yeah. Look at me go. Yee. Okay. Alright, girl. And now for powder, I'm using Dermacol. I'm not sure it's authentic or not. I forgot. Then I'm putting onto my under eyes and also corner of my nose. Oh my gosh, I look like a clown. And now for contour, I put on as eyeshadow to my crease to get a little definition in there. And yes, there you go, looking all natural in there. So here it is. Isn't it pretty there? Yes, it is pretty. Look at it. Am I like trying to find something or something? Yeah, like this. And now for the palette, I'm using Folklore with the color, this sand color. I'm putting on my lid for more a pop. And yeah. And now for kabuki brush, and brush all of those powder on my face, and yeah, my face was set. I'm looking really nice today. Looking nice, yeah. Okay. Oh my god. So now I'm going for eyeliner. I'm using Pink Flash eyeliner. This is the struggle. This is optional for anyone who wants to do liner, but except me, I really messed up eyeliner so bad. Practice makes perfect, you know. So I corrected it with a Q-tip. Jeez, oh my god. And yeah, see if it's correct or not. Yeah, look at that. Very nice, very nice. It's already looking nice, and now I'm going for the other side. Okay, concentrating. Q-tip, more Q-tips all off the eyeliners. Sorry for the bad editing, because I was like in a rush, because I actually edited and like it's like I have to do it all over again because I messed up editing. And now, okay, that's the finished look of my eyeliner, not the actual finished look. Okay. So, and now I'm going to curling my lashes. Okay, this isn't scissors, guys. For beginners, do not think this is scissors. It won't ruin your lashes. Trust me, I was a beginner once, and it was traumatizing me at first. it traumatized me, but now it's not. And now for mascara, also don't poke your eyes. You're looking really great today. And now, just this mascara is by Maybelline. Curls your lashes perfectly, and this is my favorite eyelashes. Honestly, I go with a struggle on lashes, but you know, when it comes to lashes, I'm already great at it. So for anyone who wants to wear lashes, it's up to you. It's optional, and it's very, very nice and looking. If you want that little flare on you, okay? Now, yeah. At first, oh, and also, if you want to wear lashes, don't put too much glue, or else you'll ruin your eyes and you cannot get it off. It will hurt your eyes. So there it is. Just put thin layer of glue. Okay, look at that. Now I had the masterpiece of lashes. Very nice. Okay, now for color gram palette, I'm using this color to do an agyosal, which is very honestly, I'm sorry, am I terrible at it? Sorry, it's like this thing you can do to largen your eyes, but for me, I'm sorry if I messed it up to Koreans. If you're offended watching this, I'm so sorry. And now I'm gonna highlight it. Okay, look at it. Yeah, look at me go, just highlighting that. Very nice. I wish I wasn't this bad. And now I'm gonna just rub it in there. To blending. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Then mascara on the bottom lashes. Yay. Another contour. My nose. If you want a slim nose, it's not about looking slim nose. It's contour. If you want more dimension on it, okay. So contouring is what makes it perfect. If you like it or hate it, I don't care. So just make a little button nose. And look at that. Look. Oh, it's so cute. Yes. Very, very nice. And flare, and it's smoothly. And then highlight it. Okay. Very elegant. And then I'm using this ink Berry Berra lip tint. It's blur tint, and it's just brand new that I bought recently, like 3 months ago. And this Wake Make eyebrow pencil. So we're just gonna line the eyebrows. Okay, so there you go. Then brushing them. Brushing them is to blend them out, and it doesn't have to be so messy or anything like that. And then setting spray, and then that is your finished look. And I judged to a better shawl, I guess. It doesn't look that half bad. Okay, so bye. Well, enjoy watching it.